So I'm going to demo a half kneeling hip hinge. The half kneeling position is basically one leg out ahead of you and the back leg tucked behind you. From the side view, this is what it looks like, a good 90-degree angle. The back toe, I do want it to be flat against the floor. From here, all you're going to do is elevate the same arm on the same side of the leg that's in front, and you're going to basically windshield wipe your back leg, hip hinge, follow your eyes on the hand above you, and find the floor. From here, you're just going to push through the hip, windshield wipe the back leg, and sit back up. I'm going to have you do that again, windshield wipe the leg, eyes ahead of you, gently find the floor, hip hinge back up, stand up nice and tall, lengthen through the spine. If we do this with a weight, racking the kettlebell in the rack position, hold it here, tension everything below you, press the kettlebell up ahead. Again, from here, find the kettlebell, windshield wipe the knee, find the floor, and then slowly stabilizing through that shoulder, sit all the way back up, and then just repeat that. What you can also do is basically add in a press, slowly lower the kettlebell down, press, hinge, find the floor, sit all the way back up, lengthen.